What are you doing? Are you working? Are you working? You helping me put together our table? Looks like you got a screwdriver. Oh, good job. You did a good job getting it in there. Oh, yeah. Good job, Kaden. You're doing a wonderful job. You are such a big helper. Can you clap your hands and say, yay, we did it? Yay!